Hello, my dear kids. Welcome back to your English class. Today, we are going to have a new English class, but our topic will be an old one. So, what should be today's topic? Today's topic is on the basis of our doing word, but today we are going to do a new thing on this topic. Previously, you did to find the doing word from the bundle of words. In today's class, we will encircle the doing words from the bundle of words. So, more or less, the classes are same, but with some difference. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy today's class. Come with me. Let's see what I have for you and let's read with me. Let's get fun together. Okay, children? Come. So, here, first of all, check the heading. What is written here? Circle. CIRCLE. Circle the doing. DOING. Doing word. WORD. So, here your heading is circle the doing word. That means you have to encircle the doing word. Okay, so now look at the words. Here we have three words in the number one section. One is fan, FAN, fan. Now, what do you think? Do you think fan is a doing word? The second one is duck, DUCK, duck. And the last one is play, PLAY, play. Now, I hope you understood that which one is doing word. And for your sake, I can do it just for an example. The first one, I will do. Okay? But the rest other things you have to do it. Okay, children? Now, this is our second set of words. One is sun, SUN, sun. The middle one is love, LOVE, love. And the third one is day, DAY, day. So, in between the three words, which one will be the doing words or the action words, children? Please guess it and circle it. I know you can do it. So now this is our third set of words. Here in the beginning we have laugh. LAUGH, laugh. Laugh means hasha. Yes. Next word is school. SCHOOL, school. School means we all know. And the third one is book. BOOK, book. So, in these three words, which one is the doing word or action word, children? Guess it and circle it. Yes, you can do it. So, this is our fourth set of words, and the first one is honey. HONEY, honey. In Bengali, it means modhu. Yes. The second one is money. MONEY, money. We all know its meaning is taka paisha. And the third one is cry. CRY, cry. Cry means kanna kora ba kada. In between the three words, which one will be the doing word? Yes, circle it. Yes, you can do it. Okay, so here I have the fifth set of words. Now the first one is horse. HORSE, horse means ghoda. The second one is run. RUN, run. Run means dourano. And the third one is white. WHITE, white means shada. So, in between the three words, which one is the doing word or action word? Yes, you guessed it right. So, please circle it. So, here I have again a new set of words. The first one is write. WRITE, write. It means lekha. The second one is bird, B-I-R-D, bird. Bird means Paki. And the third one is I, E-Y-E-I. That means choke. So you know it which one is the doing word. So please circle it. Okay, so here I have three new set of words. The first one is bed, B-E-D, bed. Bed means bichana. The middle one is sleep, S-L-E-E-P, sleep means ghumano. And the last one is pillow, P-I-L-L-O-W, pillow. Pillow means balish, jate amra shui. So, in between the three words, which one is the action word? Yes, I know you have already managed it. Yes, so circle it. So here I have again three new words. Come, let's read the new words here. The first one is pool, P-O-O-L, pool. The second one is water, W-A-T-E-R, water. And the third one is swim, S-W-I-M, swim. So here it's very easy to guess the doing word. Do it fast. Yes, I know you can do it. Here we have number 9. The first word is walk, W-A-L-K, walk. Walk means hata. The second one is road, R-O-A-D, road. Road means rasta. And the third one is stick, S-T-I-C-K, stick. Stick means lathi. So here in these three words, which one will be the doing word? It's up to you. Guess it and circle it. This is our last set of words. The first one is rain, R-A-I-N, rain. The second one is run, R-U-N, run. And the third one is umbrella. So you have to guess which one is the action word. I hope you have done it. Okay, good. So, what we have learned today, we have learned so many words. Yes, and it will increase our vocabulary because we know the words now, we know its meaning, we know its spelling. Now, what is up to us? That we need to practice it. Okay, we need to drill the words every day. And the doing words, that is very easy to us right now. Yes, because we enjoyed today's class. Okay, so till then, take care, take a good care of you, do exercise every day. Tata, my little kids.